Everyone, my name is Manjul and today I'm here with new video in C programming. That's actually playing an audio using some kind of sound frequency. It's Mario audio. I found this program and I just edited it to work for this since like three years earlier, and today I thought I'll just bring this up to you guys so that you can also enjoy the program. So it's a very short video. I'll just show you the code and how it works, and everything else is just awesome. So here's the code. I'm actually using Turbo C++ to run this. You can even use code blocks to use this, but this is only for the Windows, so it won't execute in the Linux as we are using dos.h header file and windows.h header file. This is actually windows.h is not required. I don't know why I kept it over there, but dos.h is required because we are using two functions which are available there. That's sound, which will play the frequency bit which is given over there, and delay, which will create some kind of time gap. Otherwise it will continuously flow, so we won't be able to analyze or understand how the sound works. So there is a sound frequency for Super Mario tone and the time delay which is perfectly matched for that. So I'll just execute the code and let's see how it works. So that's all guys. This is how the program works. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll come with the next video. I think I'll continue on the CarRace tutorial series that you can check out. The link is in description. So that series will teach you how you can write a basic 2D car racing program using graphic.h header file in C programming. This is not very much useful for the intermediate learner, but the one who are beginner, it is very much useful for you guys to understand how the graphics work. So that's a very basic program, but also it will help you to understand a lot of things. So please don't forget to watch that, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.